Hi People Love! So we are here at the love right now. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Love You People Love. So we have something to share with you. Meron akong isi-share sa inyo and this is really exciting, you know. This is a very great story and for sure you will be inspired from this. At the lobby, so sa lobby ako ngayon. Yeah, today's working area here. So I can able to work there. So I'll show you here. This the here there's a orientation din yata there. So I'll be sitting down here and I bring my notebook and pad so I'm able to work here. So share natin yan with you all here. Okay? Parang ganun. Hiding here. So, as I told you guys, I have something to share with you. So, itong isi-share ko sa inyo, very inspiring to. Kasi, ang daming naitulong sa akin ito so far. So, kung nakikinig po kayo ngayon sa taong na-inspired sa akin, thank you. Maraming salamat kasi you inspired me a lot really. Ang daming nabago sa akin simula lang na-share mo yun sa akin. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Thank you so much. I learned a lot from you and I am very thankful. And anyway, to get started about what I shared to you, kasi sabi ko nga may ikukwento ako sa inyo today. So, meron akong nakilala. They are school teacher. So, sa college. Kwento niya na that time, nagkaroon ng sakit yung anak niya. So, yung nagkaroon ng sakit ang anak niya, so kailangan na dalhin sa ospital yun. And they are very worried na mag-asawa. So, that time, nung dinala niya sa ospital yung anak nila, they're very worried as well the hospital bill. Sobrang nag-worry sila sa hospital bill kasi kulang yung pera nila eh. So, magkano lang yung salary nila as a teacher ng that time. I think it's just 8,000 lang daw. So, very small lang yun. Especially pagkain pa nila, allowance pa nila and all. And sa nirentahan pa nila. So, talagang kulang sila. And that time, they're asking friends kung sino yung pwedeng tumulong sa kanila. Sino yung pwedeng tumulong to pay the bills. They're looking for their friends and no one helps them. Meron siyang kaibigan, nabigyan siya ng book o libro. Alam mo yung tipong kailangan niya talaga ng pinakatulong ng time na yun, pero ang binigay sa kanya is a book. Diba? Kung ikaw, anong maisip mo? Diba? You need help, you need money that time, but ang binigay sa kanya is a book or read that book first. So, binasa niya yung libro na yun, daming nagbago sa kanya. So, I'm not endorsing book here, ha? Hindi ako nabibenta ng libro dito, sinasabi ko. So, it's just very inspiring lang talaga to. So, tapos guys, yung after niya nabasa yung book na yun, ni-practice niya. Sobrang ni-practice na yung laman ng book na yun na nabasa niya. And the same time, talagang inaral niya yun. And ni-practice niya kung paano niya i-attract yung nabasa niya doon. Kasi yung libro na yun, it presents like love universe. So, mga love attraction. So, mga ganun yung laman ng libro na yun. So, he practiced it, he doing it, like he imagined kung ano yung gusto niya. So, and one day, there's someone who helped them at nabayaran yung hospital bill. Diba? So, he just practiced the book kung ano yung nabasa niya doon. Kahit ako nun parang nanindig yung balahibo ko nun eh. Nanindig yung balahibo ko after nadinig ko yun. So, he practiced it, they doing it. So, mag-asawa. So, they're couple in a way. Tapos guys, ang nangyari, inaaral na nila, pinapractice na nila. And I have something to share with you. Ang pinaka-grabe, very inspiring kasi dito is that, alam mo yung kung ano yung sinabi niya, bago tayo matulog, isipin natin kung ano yung gusto natin. Isipin natin kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. At sikapin mo na bago ka matulog, yun yung iisipin mo. Imagine mo, pipikit yung mata mo. At yun yung iisipin mo. Before you sleep, isipin mo kung ano yung bagay na gusto mo. Kasi, alam mo kung ano yung sabi niya. Kasi, tatrabawin nyo ng love universe. Subconscious natin, nagtatrabaho siya. Yung conscious ito, gumagalaw tayo. Yung subconscious yun, habang tulog tayo, kung ano yung pinapakinggan natin, ba mga motivational yan, or mga very powerful motivations or success stories or very inspiring, you know, or personal development. So, talaga nag-a-absorb pa rin yun. So, ang mangyari guys, pag-isipin mo kung ano yung gusto mo bago ka matulog, mangyari kasi doon is that, tatrabahuin yun ng law of universe. Yung universe, siya yung gagawa ng paraan para ma-achieve yun, para mangyari yun. So, halimbawa, meron kang gustong bagay talaga. Magtaka ka, there's an opportunity na lumalapit sa'yo. Merong opportunity na lumalapit sa'yo o merong taong gagamitin para sa'yo. There is person. Talagang magtaka ka na, alam mo yun, parang bakit hindi matulala ako ng tao na to? But he's willing to assist me. Kasi isa sila sa pinapadala ng universe or God or Lord. It's like we're praying before we sleep, you know? And very powerful yan kasi pinapractice din talaga yan. So ito, bigyan ko kayo ng nakakapanindig na balahibo talaga kung ano yung experience nila na sobrang na-inspired ako. Ang pinaka na-inspired ako sa naging grabe. Pinapractice nila every time bago sila matulog. At ito pinakamalupit guys. Ini-imagine nila na kotse na gusto nila, yung kotse or yung car na gusto nila, dan ini-imagine nila yung kulay ng sasakyan na yun, reflection ng light dun sa pader na yun. Ini-imagine nila yung kulay ng pula or yellow, basta imagine nila yung kulay ng reflection ng sasakyan na yun sa pader. Really imagine it. And you know what? Really imagine that, guys. Even habang nagdadrive ng motor, talagang ini-imagine nila, you know, nagdadrive ng motor but they're imagining driving a car. And isa sa in-imagine din nila yung bahay na gusto nila, the house that they want. And you know what? Grabe guys. Kasi after like 3 months, okay, lahat yun nangyari. After 3 months, nagkaroon sila ng car, house. At alam mo, ini-imagine lang nila dati na yung ref nila mapuno yun. Puno ng mga pagkain. At lahat yun guys, yung ref nila puno ng pagkain. Lahat ng pagkain, kung ano yung gusto nila nandun. And they can buy what they want. The question is, paano nangyari yun? Guys, they really mastered it. Like, they imagined what they really want. They really attract it. And they really practiced it every night before they sleep. Lalo na yung mga couple dyan na mag-asawa. Yung parang mag-team kayo. Kasi, they're team when they do it. They're very team when they do it, you know? At ang nangyari kasi dun guys, there's an opportunity na nag-offer sa kanila to work abroad. Not literally abroad, pumunta ng ibang bansa. To work from home, which is, like, you know, nasa bahay lang with so they're earning. Anyway, din yung mga pinaka-uso ngayon. Actually, hindi na bago sa inyo yan. Yung mga virtual assistant. Yung virtual assistant, everyone. Grabe yan, mga 6 digits ang pwede mong kitain dyan. So, what my really point, guys, grabe yung naging changes sa kanila. They earn 6 digits na mag-asawa. They earn big, really. And how they started? Just started on claiming it. They started on imagining it. And na-share niya sa akin yung law of universe, law of rhythm. Yung law of rhythm, masaya ka ngayon, may malungkot ka. It's part. Normal yun. So, halimbawa, nasa baba ka or nasa taas ka. Sabi nga, pag nasa baba ka, wala ka na ibang papuntahan, nasa taas na. So, all you have to do is to take action as well. Because God said as well, diba? Sa Lord ka may sabi. So, James 1:2 din naman, faith without action is dead. So, we need to take action as well. Pero ang pinakamalapit kasi dito sa love imagination na to, love universe na to, gagamit talaga ng way si Lord or yung universe para may tao na mag-guide sa'yo or meron siyang gagamiting opportunity or tao for you as an instrument to make it happen. Because you always attract it, you know. So, I'm really inspired with that. Especially, nung nakita ko talaga, yeah, they have a good life, you know, they can buy what they want, and they practiced it. So, kung sa akin naman, people love, I am very inspired of this person. And he really suggested me about basahin yung The Law of Secret or The Secret na book. So, syempre, I have no money to buy naman ng book na yan. So, sabi, panoorin ko na sa YouTube, ganon. So, pinanood ko siya, audiobook siya. You know what? While I'm cleaning, kahit naglalaba ako, nagugas, or basta naglinis ako ng bahay, pinapakinggan ko siya. It takes 3 hours to 4 hours. At pinakinggan ko siya ng paulit-ulit and I learned a lot there. Sobrang, I learned it. And you know what? Kung ano yung iniisip mo, you can get it. You know, parang it's a process. But if you believe it, you can achieve it. Actually, biblical din yun. Pero sa tips ko guys, try nyong panoorin or pakinggan o basahin yung The Secret. It helps you learn. Ang daming magbago sa inyo dyan. Super daming magbabago sa inyo dyan. It can help you really, you know. So I'm really, I hope na-inspired ka, no? Super na-inspired din ako sa story nito. At gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa mga nag-share nito sa akin kasi it inspires me really. At madami yung mga bagay na sinashatter ko na nangyayari. So, it's not that much pa naman. Nasa step pa naman ako. Pero, sobrang dami akong super thankful ako. So, maybe I'll share that to you soon. Bye!